Boxwood Avenue. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you how to force bulbs indoors. After a long winter, it is so nice to have a little life in the house, and forcing bulbs is a great way to add a little green into the house for spring. Forcing bulbs is super easy. There are two different types of bulbs. There's bulbs that will need to be chilled, and there's bulbs that need no chilling. There are two types of bulbs that don't need to be chilled, Amaryllis and paper whites, and those are the easiest to force. You can force other bulbs like tulips and daffodils, but they require a very long chilling period over the winter, so you really have to plan ahead. So if you want to do that, you need to chill your bulbs in about 35-degree temperature over the winter. The flowers will develop during that chilling period, and then you can force them in the spring. But it's honestly easier to just plant them outside and watch them grow outside, and force Amaryllis or paper whites inside. You can buy Amaryllis or paper whites at Amazon or online or any nursery really. They're very common because they're so easy to grow. To start planting your paper whites or your Amaryllis, you don't even need potting soil. All you'll need is some pebbles for drainage, which you can see I've got here in my jar, and then you'll need a container. You can use any kind of container, a bowl, a jar, pots, anything that you can find to nestle your bulb inside of. Now, the one key thing here is to not overwater. You don't want the water touching your bulb because your bulb will start to mold and it won't grow. So it's important to add just enough water so that the roots can reach down and drink the water, but it won't drown your bulbs. So let's get started. Forcing paper whites and Amaryllis are so easy, and they add so much life to the house after a long winter. I've got moss on top of mine, and you can add that too. I think that it adds a really nice touch. You can also put them in jars or in bowls. Now, if you put it in a bowl, you'll probably have to secure it with a ribbon or twine like I have, or you can add a support stake too. After your paper whites or your Amaryllis have bloomed, unfortunately they won't bloom again. There's so much stress put on them when you force them that they're really not going to bloom again, so you just have to discard them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you're feeling inspired to go out and plant some bulbs in your house. For more gardening ideas and tips and tricks, visit me at boxwoodavenue.com, and don't forget to subscribe before you go.